Welcome back friends. In this video I am going to show you a new free Solana earning website. Free Solana every year you can earn from here. Every year this website gives 0.04 Solana for free through our Solana faucets. Now scroll down here, you can see excellence of this website and we have a lot of options to get a lot of benefit from this website. Now first of all, you can see here in 1 lakhs and 21,000 users use this website and about 2061 Solana already earned from this website when by users. Now more scroll here, we have random question that is very useful to read out all this useful information about this earning platform, mining platform. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. If you don't have account, you have to click on sign up option now to create your account in this website. Here you need to enter your username, then you need to enter your email, then put password in 2 blocks, then fill up the captcha that is I am a human and click on sign up option. Then you can sign up on this website very successfully in this way, very easily. Now I have already account. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this earning platform, mining platform. I already take withdraw from here about today and I will also show you that proof of this website that is without deposit you can take withdraw from here. Now stay on the video and I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this mining platform, earning platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. Now once you reach there, then you can see that earn free Solana, welcome back. Now scroll down here, you can see you can earn up to 0.04 Solana after every year from this website, and we have many more level. First of all, we have stone, iron, bronze, silver, gold, platinum and diamond, and we have master. You just need to fill up the captcha that is I am a human, and please click the object that differs from others. Click on it and click on next option. Now once again you have to click fill up the captcha and click on verify now, and you have to click on claim your reward, and you can see that I got 10,000 Satoshi of Solana from here. Everything is in front of you. Now you can see that I have 10 bonus faucet from this website. If you come here and you can verify your email, then you can also get free 10 bonus faucet from this website. If you are satisfied with our services, please help us to evaluate this website. You can also comment so we can bring the best services to customers. Now you can also earn from here by just playing games. Click on games option now. And here you can see that you can play here dice, slots, gems, mines, and we have roulette, high, low, and number of games available to play here. Then if you don't know how to play this game, then you can watch video on YouTube about any of these games to earn a lot of benefit from this website. Now you can also complete surveys, deposits option also available, and we also have contest. Now scroll down here, you can see how my people take benefit from these type of contest. Referral contest also available. 27 Solana contest is in this website for referral. Wagner contest also available. Now more scroll down, you can participate all these contests by just doing simple tasks. I already show you that how can you improve your surveys on this website. Deposit option also available. If you want to make deposit, you can copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit here as much as you want to deposit. Now withdraw option, you can take withdraw from here when you have 0.02 Solana in your account. When you have here 0.02 Solana, then you can take withdraw from here. You can also complete surveys to enhance your earning speed to get a lot of benefit from here. Now we have another option that is the affiliate program. If you click on it, then you can see that Here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If other person join this website and work on it, then you can earn a lot of benefit from your each referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now click on withdraw option, and here I am going to show you withdraw proof of this earning website. And about 3 hours ago I got withdraw 0.02 Solana from this website. This is one withdraw I got from here about today. You can also take withdraw from here when you reach minimum withdrawal amount from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to get this type of more videos, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Now here you can see there's bonus faucets. We have 10 bonus faucets. You can claim any of these bonus faucets whenever you want. Hopefully you like it, you love it.